Hello friends, in this video we are going to install Laravel 9 in Ubuntu. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all we have to check which PHP version we are using. So let's clear it and make PHP minus v version. It is 7.4.3, so let's switch to 8.0. So we have, let's check which commands we have. This command which switch the PHP version. So currently it's 7.4. So let's make it 8 points, so I'm going to add number uh, 2, and let's enable this, paste this one, disable 7.4. Okay, and disable and enable the another one, that is en mode. So let's enable it 8.0. So we have enabled this one. Just restart this command, copy and paste this. So before this you need to install the 8 PHP 8 version in your Linux, right? After that, do this process. After that, go to the Laravel documentation. If I go here, we need to create copy this one. Okay. Then go to the terminal, sudo, paste this, make it yes. We'll install the Laravel 9 version. So it will say copy this one. Okay. So this is fully fledged installation has been done. Okay, and PHP unable to load dynamic library PDO, that is the different one. Okay, so application successfully, and go to the env file of example app. So here we have env file, open it and put the credentials Laravel 9, and here PHP, this is your username and this is your password that you need to add. Okay, save it. It's done. Go to the terminal, go to your example app, and paste PHP artisan migrate to migrate for the same one for creating the tables. So it created the tables, all right, and just add PHP artisan serve for running the PHP. So just copy this development server and open it here. Stream file Laravel logs could not be opened, so that means you need to give the permissions. So go to the folder and just add sudo chmod minus r 0777 storage, and this will add the storage, correct, and just run again the php artisan serve and reload this one. You will see the Laravel 9 is installed successfully. If I go to the composer.json, so if you find, if then you can find php is 8 and the Laravel version is, you can say, 9.2. So that means Laravel 9 is installed successfully and we can access this. Access is like this. Okay, so I hope you understand what we have learned. Okay, if you have any query in the installation process, if you are stuck in any kind of installation in this Laravel 9, you just let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment.